Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, we'll discuss some interesting topic that is autonomic nervous system. The autonomic or involuntary part of the nervous system controls the functions. Effector organs are the some smooth muscles, cardiac muscles and glands of the body carry out automatically, that is initiated in the brain below the level of the cerebrum. The efferent or motor nerves of the autonomic nervous system arise from the nerve cells in the brain and merge at various levels between the midbrain and sacral region of the spinal cord. The autonomic nervous system is classified into two types: parasympathomimetics and sympathomimetics. The parasympathomimetics, the neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. The function of the parasympathomimetics, it is useful in the stress and emergency cases. Sympathomimetics, the neurotransmitter is noradrenaline, which is the major part, adrenaline is the minor part, and the acetylcholine, which is a presynaptic. And the function is assimilation of food and conversion into the energy. In this autonomic nervous system, we'll go through the receptors. In this receptor, they are classified into two types of receptors: muscarinic receptors and nicotinic receptors. In muscarinic receptors, again they are classified into three types: M1, M2 and M3. Here we can observe a tabular format of the muscarinic receptors: M1, M2 and M3. First, let's look about the M1 receptors. Location and its functions are CNS neurons, sympathetic postganglionic neurons, stimulation, some presynaptic sites. Transducer mechanism. The activation of IP3 or DAG pathway, which causes the increase in the intracellular level of calcium, and its agonist is oxotriamorine and antagonist is pyrazipine telinzepine. And let's go through the M2 receptors. Its location and their functions are myocardium, smooth muscles, and AV node, which causes the decrease in the heart rate and slow down the conduction. Some presynaptic sites decreases the acetylcholine release. And the transducer mechanism is potassium channel opening occurs, and which causes the decrease in the CAMP levels. And their agonist is methacholine and antagonist is methotriemerine. And M3 receptors, its location is exocrine glands, which increases the secretions, vessel, smooth muscles and endothelium, which releases the nitric oxide, which causes the vasodilation, visceral smooth muscles, which causes the contraction. The transducer mechanism of M3 receptor is same as M1, which activates the IP3 or DAG pathway, which causes the increase in the intracellular level of calcium. Here comes the nicotinic receptors. Nicotinic receptors are classified into two types: NN and NM. And NN location is autonomic ganglia, which causes the depolarization postganglionic neurons and some presynaptic cholinergic terminals. Site specific excitation and inhibition can be seen. Here we can observe pentameric receptors, and the opening of the cation can be seen, of which Na plus, K plus and CO2 plus. Agonist is dimethyl phenyl piperazine and the nicotinic. Antagonist is tuberculin. NM, its location is skeletal muscle, neuromuscular end plates, contraction of the muscle. Here has intrinsic ion channel pentamer of only beta subunit and has 4 transmembrane. Opening of action of Na plus K plus channels. Agonist is phenyl trimethylammonium, and nicotine. Antagonist is hexamethonium. Here we can observe two questions in overall the video, and for the last question we can observe the reason also for the answer. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to Pharma Medico.